Hey guys, how's it going? How to do Disney filters on TikTok. Sure. So basically, open up or launch the TikTok app on your device, right? And then basically tap the plus button right here at the bottom, right? At the bottom center to start a new video. Let me close this one. Click the plus button, and then basically tap on the effects. You're gonna notice the effects at the bottom left, located at the bottom left, and then use the search bar to look for Disney filters, right? So I'm gonna just switch right here, look for Disney, right? Disney, right? Basically gonna notice the Disney effects right here through the trending effects until you find the Disney filter. Tap on the filter and apply it, and then hold the record button and create your content with the filter. And after recording, you can just start doing your content on and add music and then post it. Enjoy creating your Disney themed TikToks. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.